Hi guys, it's your girl Justena Elise, and today we are going to do a product review. We're going to do a wash and go with the Doux. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. I have done a twist out with the Doux and it came out bomb perfect. These are actually my results for my wash and go with the Doux. So if you want to know how I achieve this style, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so if you made it this far in the video and you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Click the red button and the bell next to it so you can be notified of my next video. Comment down below and let me know, have you tried to do? Have you did a twist out, braid out, wash and go? What have you done? So I'm going to go ahead and section off my hair into about 6 sections and go straight in with the Doux. My hair is moisturized with the African Pride, as I am Jamaican black castor oil water. So I did use that as my leave-in and oil. I did go straight in with the mousse and I started finger detangling. The Doux does an amazing job of like automatically like curling your curls, having that definition come out so good. And I just love finger detangling it and seeing those curls come through. I did decide to shingle my hair to get even more definition. I feel like when you shingle your hair, you're able to, allow each individual curl to curl at its will, and just flow very nicely. And it comes out, which y'all see at the end, before I stretch my hair, it comes out really defined. You can see each individual curl and it just looks extremely awesome. One tip that I can give you when it comes to doing a mousse wash and go is making sure you do it in like not very small sections but medium sections, because you will be able to distribute the mousse evenly to all ends of your hair. Every section of your hair will be saturated with the mousse, compared to with a gel, because gels I usually take a little bit of a smaller section and it takes me longer to apply it because it doesn't flow as well as a mousse. So I usually use smaller sections when it comes with gels and larger sections when it comes to mousse, because I feel like the mousse, is a thinner substance, so it's able to flow through your hair a little bit better and it's easier to get to each individual curl and define it like on another level. So this mousse is not necessarily this mousse, the Doux, is not necessarily gonna get like all of your tangles out. My ends, I super duper need to trim them, so y'all see me struggling a little bit to get my ends how I need it to be, but I just went ahead and added a little more mousse and detangled as usual. So I'm about to show y'all in a minute how the mousse actually defines the curls and just gives it a fullness and a great, just a great curl overall. This mousse is moisturizing as well. It leaves your hair super soft and the curls just on definition to the extreme. That's one thing that I love about this mousse, because I don't necessarily have to add gel. I don't want to, but it gives it just like a good enough soft hold as to I don't have to put mousse. Now, if I put mousse, I'm not mousse, I don't have to put gel. If I put gel, which I do want to try their gel that they have in their line. I don't know what it's called necessarily. I'll put a picture right here so y'all can see what gel I'm talking about. But I do want to try their gel because I have some like amazing results. So when I do use that gel, I might do a video where I use the mousse and the gel, or maybe I'll do a side to side comparison of the mousse on one side and the gel on the other side. Let me know down below what y'all think I should do. Should I try them in combination, or should I try them side by side just to see the results and kind of show y'all, compare to y'all, how mousse wash and goes compared to gel wash and goes. I know y'all seen it on my channel, but I want to see what that comparison is. Like, do mousse and wash and goes like have your hair looking more fuller? Do gel wash and goes just have it to have less frizz? I just want to see that overall idea of a wash and go, side to side, mousse versus gel. Because I do love mousse wash and goes, and as y'all can see on my channel, majority of my wash and goes are mousse wash and goes. Because they just leave my hair so soft, not crunchy, moisturized, feel, feeling, and it just comes out really, really good. Especially when the quality of the products are good. Not too many crazy products in it that dry out your hair, but just like in the Doux, like it has pretty good products that leave your hair, soft and moisturized and give it like amazing definition. So I'll let y'all continue watching me apply the mousse and stop rambling. And I'll come back at the end and show you how my curls look. Alright guys, so this is how my hair look with just the mousse in it right after I have applied all the mousse. As y'all can see, each individual curl is curled, literally curled. As I'm looking at my hair doesn't really have that much frizz at all. But it really looks super good. Now this is how it looks when it's dry. The curls are still there. It is a little bit of white residue, but my hair is soft. It is not crunchy at all, like at all. And it just looks perfect. Now, if you know or don't know, I love to stretch my hair. So I'm actually gonna stretch these curls. This kind of helps me not get as many farley knots or single strand knots in my hair. So I am gonna stretch it. Now I can leave it like this, or I can actually stretch it. So that's what I'm gonna do now. And this is how I usually stretch my hair. Every time I stretch it, I usually stretch it in 4 or 6 sections. This time I used like some hair ties and tried to make sure I left the ends of my hair out, so they wouldn't be like so flat. As y'all see, my roots are like way more flatter than the rest of my hair, and my hair was actually like still a little wet. So I am gonna go in with my, not my ends were wet, my roots were wet. So I'm gonna go in with my handheld hair dryer, and right now I'm separating the curls so they won't be so like clumpy. But I am gonna go in with my handheld hair dryer and blow out my roots, stretch them out, just to make sure that my hair stays stretched out throughout the day. So when I do this, I usually don't put what is that called? Heat protectant on. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Because when I put heat protectant on, it just leaves it a little bit too oily for my scalp. Then I have to wash my hair like sooner, and I don't like that. So I just go in, try not to leave my hair under the heat that long, and just stretch my roots, y'all. So this is how my hair looks after I have stretched my roots out all the way. I'm going to shake it out and kind of shape it how I want it to be. Kind of pick it out with my hands since I don't know where my actual pick is. But I'm going to pick it out with my, go ahead and overall shape it how I want my hair to be and look for the day. Alright guys, so these are my final results. As y'all saw how I got the style. This mousse is bomb. I like literally didn't put no leave-in in, and it just left my hair feeling very soft. The definition is definitely there. Do you see frizz? I don't see that much, but I did stretch out my hair, so there is a little frizz. Y'all saw my hair before I stretched it out overnight. Then y'all saw that it was basically a minimum frizz, but it was a lot of shrinkage. So your girl had to stretch out her hair to maximize on all this beautifulness, black beauty, curl, natural hair beauty. So I did stretch out my hair and I like how it looks now, so much better. I am probably gonna have to stretch it every day because it doesn't have as much hold as a gel wash and go would, so it might not necessarily last that long. And pretty much all the mousse wash and gels that I've ever done have not lasted longer than like 3 or 4 days, so I'm probably definitely gonna have to do my hair again in about 3 days. So that's something to look forward to. But as y'all see my hair now, see there's definition, a lot of definition. Even though I stretched it out, it's still a decent amount of a definition, as y'all see here, and I love that. There is fringe, but there is also definition. So if y'all made it this far in the video and y'all haven't subscribed, make sure y'all subscribe. Click the red button and the bell next to it so you can be notified of my next video. Comment down below and let me know what other products y'all would like me to try, because this was a special request from one of my subscribers. So until next time, guys, remember, you look blessed. Bye, guys.